Let's be real for a second. Most of us treat our bodies like that one check engine light in the car. We ignore it, we hope it goes away, and we keep driving until the car starts making a sound like a blender full of marbles. But here's the truth. When your body starts signaling SOS, it's not telling you to sit down and give up. It's actually asking you to move. As we hit 60 and beyond, we naturally lose muscle mass. It's not just biology, but the aches and pains people use as an excuse to quit, those actually get worse when you stop moving around. Whether the most athletic thing you've done in the last 50 years was kicking an empty pop can on your way to school, or you're a retired pro, it's never too late. Today, we're going to dive into the top 6 sports that will keep you feeling 20 years younger. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Patrick and welcome to the channel. First of all, let's talk about the cheat code for joints. Swimming. If your knees feel like they're made of rusty hinges, the pool can be your best friend. Why? Because water is the ultimate equalizer. It supports your weight so you aren't overloading your joints, but it also provides enough resistance to actually build muscle. The perks, well, it's a full body workout that hits the back and the neck, the two biggest pain points for seniors. And the science, again, swimming and aqua aerobics stimulate every single muscle group without the impact stress of running or jogging. Bonus, it's also been shown to improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. So, pro tip, if you aren't a fan of laps, try aqua aerobics. It's basically a dance party in the water, and it's incredible for boosting your mood and your brain activity. So give it a go. Next, let's talk yoga. Now, I know what you're thinking. I can't even touch my toes, let alone twist into a pretzel. Forget the pretzels. Yoga at 60 is about one thing: stability. Falls are one of the biggest risks as we age. Yoga trains our balance and flexibility so those stumbles don't actually turn into nasty falls. Breathwork. Yoga teaches you how to breathe correctly, which is huge for lung health and fighting off respiratory issues. Blood pressure. Well, yoga is a proven stress buster that can actually help lower high blood pressure. The challenge? Well, prove the skeptics wrong. Flexibility at 60 isn't a dream, it's a skill. So start slowly, use a chair if you need to, and watch your posture gradually transform. Next up is golf. Yes, it's the classic retirement sport, but did you know it's actually a life extender? Recent studies have shown that golfers can live up to 5 years longer than non-golfers. Heart and brain, while walking the course instead of using the golf cart, keeps the heart pumping, reducing stroke and diabetes risks. It also requires massive concentration and memory, keeping your brain sharp. And the gear factor. A quick tip: your gear matters. Don't just wear any old trainers. Invest in a proper pair of golf shoes. Get them off eBay or Vinted. It's key to preventing injuries and keeping you comfortable for all 18 holes. Mental health, well, there's something about the fresh air and the green grass that fights insomnia and melts stress away. If you can't do 18 holes, try 9 holes or just a simple pitch and putt. Same effect. All right, let's talk about the simplest exercise on the planet: fast walking. No equipment, no gym fees, No excuses. Walking for just 1 hour a day is a game changer for bone mass. The why? It strengthens your leg muscles and keeps your hip bones dense. Mental clarity. It's one of the best ways to clear brain fog and boost your mood. Consistency. Because it's so easy to do, you are more likely to stick with it. Find a walking friend or a walking buddy, local park, and just get those steps in. We all have an app on our phone these days. Your heart and your scale will thank you. Now, if you really want to have a blast while getting fit, I would highly recommend dancing. Whether it's salsa, ballroom, or a slow waltz, dancing is the ultimate cardiovascular workout. It's like high intensity training, but you're enjoying it. The waltz is perfect if you're just getting back into exercise. It's gentle, keeps you moving. The salsa and the dynamic styles, well, they're great for building muscle mass in your legs and improving coordination. And really important is the feel-good factor. Dance therapy is a real thing. It fights depression and helps with those stubborn nights of insomnia. And a quick note, always check in with your GP, your doctor, before jumping into a high-energy dance class, especially if you have existing heart conditions. Just be safe. Finally, we have my favorite, which is tennis. Tennis is a powerhouse for weight management. It's high-intensity interval training without even realizing it. Brainpower, you're constantly calculating angles and reacting to your opponent. That's a workout for your grey matter right there. Doubles is key. If you're worried about the pace, start with doubles tennis. It's less ground to cover, it's more social, and you've got a partner to cheer you on. For bone health, the quick movements and loading on the legs make it fantastic for maintaining bone density. At the end of the day, age is just a number, but your activity level is a choice. Your body was built to move, and if you don't use it, you will lose it. But if you start today, even with just a 20-minute walk, you're telling your body that you aren't done yet, and you go from there. Now, which of these 6 sports sounds like your kind of style, or are you already doing one? Drop a comment below, really appreciate it, and let me know. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on thriving after 55, beating ageism, and all the negatives that are around allegedly getting old when you feel like you're still 21 years old. Thanks once again for watching, and it would make my day if you subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, have a great day, and may God go with you.